How to resolve Quicken error CC 800. 5 quick solutions. Solution 1. Check and ensure that Quicken is running in the latest release. Step 1. Launch Quicken. Step 2. Now go to Help and select Check for updates. Step 3. If an update is available, follow the on-screen prompt to install it. Solution 2. Refresh your online account information. Step 1. Open Quicken and select the account that's facing the error from the account bar. Step 2. Next, click on the gear icon located at the top right with a downpour arrow and select Update Now. Step 3. You may be required to enter the password. Once done, click Update Now. Step 4. You can repeat the same steps for other accounts as well. Solution 3. Deactivate the account. Step 1. Launch Quicken. Go to Tools and select Account List. Step 2. Select Show Hidden Account box at the bottom of the account list if present. Step 3. Scroll to the account you're encountering problem and click on Edit next to it. Step 4. Go to the Online Services tab and click on Deactivate. Step 5. Once you're done deactivating the accounts you're having trouble with, close the account list. Solution 4. Validate Quicken files to see if they're damaged. Step 1. On Quicken home page, click on File. Step 2. Next, select File Operations and then click on Validate and Repair. Step 3. In the Validate and Repair your Quicken file page, select Validate File and choose OK. Step 4. Once Quicken is done validating a file, a data_log notepad will pop up. Check if there are any errors and close it. Solution 5. Reactivate the account. Step 1. Open Quicken, go to Tools and then select Account List. Step 2. Click on Edit on the same account you deactivated. Step 3. Go to the Online Services tab and click on Set Up Now. Step 4. Enter your login credentials. Step 5. Check the Save This Password box and click on Connect. Step 6. Make sure to link the account. Click Next and then Finish. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 or +44 800 0548 150.